morning students, today we will solve the remaining sums of practice set 27. So third question, here it is given in table as in this form, that is numbers, equations, value, then solution we have to write in a yes or no. But before writing it into with yes or no, we will find the value of y given as 3. We will solve it. So write the equation here, y minus 3 is equal to 11. So, y equal to 3 given. So, in place of y write 3. 3 minus 3 is equal to 11. So, 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. 0 is not equal to 11. So, therefore, the answer is no here. It is not. That means, y is equal to 3 is not the solution of this equation. So, in the same manner, you solve the other also. Second question, it is given 17 is equal to as n plus 7. This is given in this form. Equation can be changed. N is equal to as 10. Value of the variable n is equal to 10 given. So we can write this as n plus 7 is equal to 70. In this form also we can write. So you have learned in this form, so write in this form. Now n is equal to 10. So write the equation n plus 7 is equal to 70. N is 10 given. 10 plus 7 is equal to as 17. So we have 10 plus 7 is equal to 17. 17 is equal to 7. Both the side we got same answer. So therefore the solution is yes. That means n is equal to 10 is the solution of this equation. In the same manner you will solve the other questions also. Now we go to the second question, next question, that is question number 4 is your homework. Question number 5. Question number 5. Write the given information as an equation and find its solution. So I will read the question. Now Harappa owns some sheep. After selling 34, some sheep, Harappa had some sheep. How many sheep he had, we don't know. But after selling 34 of them in the market, he still has 176. That means after selling 34 in the market, he is still having 176 sheep. So how many sheep did Harappa have at first? This we have to find out. So let Harappa have X number of sheep. X number of sheep. Therefore, he sold 34 sheep. Therefore, by condition, it is given, that is total number of sheep he is having X. He sold 34 of them, still is equal to as 176. Means after selling 34 he is still left with 176. So this is the equation. Now we have to solve and find out how much total sheep he had. So X minus 34 is equal to 76. So first method we follow, X minus 34. So add 34 plus 34 both the sides. So 176 plus 34. So X, this is minus 34 plus 34 cancels. X is equal to as, add this 6 plus 4 is 10. Carry 1, 3 plus 4, 4 plus 7 is 11. Carry 1. So therefore X is equal to 210. That means therefore Harappa had 210 sheep altogether. Now we go to fifth question, second one. See, Sakshi prepared some jams at home and filled it in the bottle. After giving away 7 of the bottles to her friends, she still has 12 for herself. Means how many total number of bottles she has made of jam, we don't know. But after giving away 7 bottles to her friends, she gave 7 bottles to her friends, still she is having 12 bottles with her. How many bottles had she made in all? Total how many bottles she has made? This we have to find out. Plus, if she filled 250 grams of jam in each bottle, in one bottle 250 grams of jam is filled, then what was the total weight of the jam she made? So let us take let the bottle number of bottles she made. So let the number of bottles of jams filled. Let total number of bottles. Total number of bottles. Number of bottles filled with jam. Filled with the jam. B as X. So by condition, it is given that after filling the bottles, she gave away, gave means minus, gave away 7 bottles to her friend. Then she was left with how many bottles? 12 bottles. So from this if equation is formed, we can find out X. After finding out X, that is the total number of bottles. Then remaining questions we can answer it. So here minus 7, just like the previous question. X minus 7 means plus 7 we put here. Then equal to 12 plus 7 only. So X is equal to minus 7 plus 7 cancels. X is equal to 12 plus 7 is 19. Therefore, X is equal to 19. Therefore, total bottles is equal to as 19. Now, jam filled in one bottle is equal to as 250 grams. Therefore, jam filled in 19 bottles will be equal to as 250 into 19. Multiply it. 250 into 19. 900, 95 is 45, carry 4, 9 to the 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Then ones are, it is 0, 5 and 2. So 0, 5, 6, 7 and 4. So 4750 grams. So 4750 grams, that is equal to as 4 kg 750 grams. Therefore, she prepared Pinky. Therefore, she made 4 kg 750 grams of jam. Now we go to the next question, third question of this fifth question, only third one. Archana bought some kilograms of wheat. She requires 12 kg per month. Archana bought some kilograms of wheat. She requires 12 per month and she got enough wheat milled for 3 months. So, wheat 12 months she requires in 1 month. So, 3 months wheat is milled up. After that, she had 14 kg left. How much wheat had Archana bought together? So, Archana had bought 'Total wheat That will be equal to as in a month 12, 3 months she has milled the, in a month she requires 12 kg, 3 months she has milled the wheat, but still she is left with 14 kg. There is still 14 kg. So 12 3 is 36, 36 plus 14, that will give you 10 carry 1, 3, 4, 5, 50 kg of wheat. Therefore, Archana bought 50 kg of, therefore she bought 50 kg of wheat.